Last meal in Vietnam, tub sandwich with fries, pineapple juice, and a view of the place.
My original plan was to fly from Ho Chi Minh to Manila, land in the morning, park my suitcase somewhere, go and do a little bit of perusing, but I genuinely don't know what I was thinking because I was so exhausted to the point where I was going to pass out, and I held out at Manila airport for about 5 hours, but I couldn't withstand it any longer. I found a very cheap and close by accommodation, and these people were amazing. Took a shower and completely blacked out. Somehow I have wound up at a convenience store, which is like a 5-minute walk from my place. I tried to get a taxi into central part of Manila, but there were no taxis, there were no motorbikes, which makes me a little bit worried in terms of getting back to the airport from where I am. So I tried to pre-book a taxi, but it booked the taxi to the airport right then and there. So I had to leave my accommodation. I had to wait over 10 hours in the airport again. And I'm not even gonna lie to you, I was still so exhausted. Guys, I don't know how I made it to the right gate, how I even made it onto the plane. I was going in and out of consciousness. It was crazy. I finally made it. Everybody's luggage on my flight is still in Manila. Oh, thank you. I spoke to the lady in charge, I suppose. She said it was either bumping off people off the flight or having the luggages being sent over later. A little sneak peek of the place I'm staying at. Once I got into my tuk-tuk, I was like, okay, like I feel like it was worth all the hassle. After a quick shower and quite a long nap, I woke up ravenous. So I went to this place and this meal literally revived me, but be warned, it's really popular and I had to wait quite a long time for my order. And then I took a short walk around town and came across this basketball game, which I thought was just so cool. All of this happening on a small island in the world. After watching it for a while, I actually went to purchase a t-shirt because my luggage had still not arrived. Leo Beach is popular for plane spotting and for surfing, and you can actually rent surfboards on the beach side. I grabbed a horchata and it was so delicious. Horchata is stupid expensive and rare in the UK, so I was excited to see this on the menu. And luckily, I found a free seat which I used for the entire day, and I read my book and I pretty much relaxed until the sun set. Good morning everyone, I am on my first tour. Look at where I am. This is insane. I mean, I know I say that every time, but this is pretty insane. Okay, let's do a quick 360. Look how clear the water is. This is stunning. Oh my god, look. white sand. After the first beach, we stopped right before the entry to the big lagoon, and if you don't know, you actually have to kayak there. I did not go. I was so exhausted due to the traveling, so because of this, I was not confident in my ability to get on a kayak and go against the harsh sea. Do I regret it? Kind of, but I've made my peace with it, so that's that. I can't remember the name of this place, but basically I dove underwater and he grabbed my life jacket and just swooped me through. It was actually a very smooth and easy process. And then you kind of like entered this small cave lagoon thing. It was very cool, very secluded. I will say the waves were pretty harsh getting in and out of the water, but I'm glad I survived. Guys, today I'm at another beach, just got here. This scene, unreal. I found a spot on the beach underneath some trees just further down from the entrance, and I tried the snacks I got earlier, and honestly they were slightly disappointing. I'm sure if they were fresh and warm they would have tasted much better. I obviously took a dip into the waters. After about 5 minutes I started to feel little stings on my arms and legs. It was actually so discomforting that I had to come out. Google had told me that this may have been due to microscopic jellyfishes or other types of sea creatures. I did go back in much later and I didn't feel anything anymore, so I don't know if these organisms had just swam away. Nevertheless, it was an incredible day. This beach felt much cozier, so worth going to. On Christmas Eve, I wanted some authentic Filipino food, and Alamos Diner gave me just that. I actually really wanted their lechon, but they were only serving their Christmas menu, which was perfectly fine with me. This meal was delicious, the meat was soft, and I love sauce on my food, and there was plenty of it to go around, so no complaints there. I also got a little cocktail because why not? It was Christmas Eve and I was spending it by myself, so I got a little bit crazy. And then I opted for dessert, even though I was very full, but I don't regret it. It was so good. I like to add that this is a family-owned business and one so worth going to. Great company, great food. I could not have asked for more. I love it. It's so garish. It's my last day in El Nido and I needed my coffee fix for the day with this incredible view. I can't believe how lucky I was to have found a seat here, and I got a banana bread, which was lovely. I will say I was badly missing Vietnamese coffee, but this was pretty good. I had no set plan for this day, and for the first time in a long time, I told myself it's okay to not have to do everything. I thought about going ziplining, I thought about going on another tour, but I just wanted my last day to be peaceful, and that's exactly what it was, because I headed back to Leo Beach, which I absolutely loved. Vlog. I feel like we haven't talked in ages, but it's been a busy week. I am here, sat outside, and I got the mango sticky rice horchata. That's so good. And it was 250 pesos. Also, I really needed this because I've just been swimming, and this is like giving me energy, you know?